here from quantlabs.net. Today I want to talk about the membership of Quant Elite. If you are want to take your trading to the next level, kind of get serious about your trading results, build a pretty well a consistent trading business, I highly recommend you check out this new quantlabs.net Elite page. There you'll find just something that we are just about to launch. You can get in on it very quickly. A lot of the big benefits include, if you go to the quantlabs.net Elite page right here, brand new, and it's pretty well a mission that I've been on, and pretty well, as I said, if you're looking for financial clarity using Python technology. It's pretty well one of the fastest ways to build trading bots if you want to do it in the retail forex space or cryptocurrency. We could do that. Obviously, we can also do a lot of engagement with you as well via the private chat server that we've got going on, as well as our weekly live webinars. So once again, join. All your info is kept confidential, so you don't have to worry about none of this will get released, nor do we have third-party people harassing you as well. Hopefully we'll see you on the other side, and hang tight as we get it all wrapped up. Thanks.